Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're battling dull skin, acne scars, fine lines, or just want that youthful glow without expensive spa treatments, then get radiant because today we're reviewing the iRestore LED face mask. This innovative mask uses red light therapy with 132 LEDs at 660 nanometer wavelength to stimulate collagen, reduce inflammation, and improve skin texture. Hands-free design for easy use, built-in timer for 10-minute sessions, USB rechargeable for portability, lightweight silicone for comfort, and eye protection for safety. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a mask that's effective for daily skincare, convenient for home routines, and backed by science for visible results, this is the one that'll light up your beauty regimen. Let's break down the features on the iRestore LED face mask. This mask has a flexible silicone construction that's soft on the skin, molded to fit most face shapes comfortably without pressure points, and lightweight at just 0.5 pounds, so you can wear it while relaxing or multitasking. The 132 red LEDs emit 660 nanometer light, which penetrates the skin to boost cellular energy, promote healing, and enhance blood circulation for better tone and elasticity. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium battery via USB-C, lasting up to 10 sessions on a full charge, with an auto shut-off timer to prevent overuse. The design includes adjustable straps for a secure fit, ventilated holes for breathability to avoid overheating, and built-in eye shields to protect from light exposure. Operation is simple with one-button control to start sessions, and it's FDA-cleared for safety, suitable for all skin types without chemicals or UV rays. Cleaning is easy with a damp cloth, and it comes with a storage bag for travel. Setup is plug and play. Charge it, strap it on, press start, and relax for 10 minutes daily. Priced around $150, it's affordable tech with a 1-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are glowing great, targeted red light therapy that reduces wrinkles, fades acne marks, and evens skin tone with consistent use. Hands-free design letting you read or watch TV during treatments. Quick 10-minute sessions that fit busy schedules. Rechargeable and portable for on-the-go glow-ups. Comfortable fit with no irritation for daily wear. And affordable compared to professional sessions. Users rave about smoother skin after weeks, reduced breakouts, and how it's a spa-like experience at home. On the con side, results take time with 4 to 6 weeks for noticeable changes, not ideal for very sensitive skin without patch testing, battery needs recharging after several uses, and no adjustable intensity if you prefer gentler light. A few mentioned the mask can feel warm during use, but overall the pros dominate for at-home beauty. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the iRestore LED face mask if you have skin concerns like aging or acne, and the pros like easy daily use, proven therapy, and affordability make sense for you. It's perfect for busy professionals, skincare enthusiasts, or anyone wanting natural radiance without invasive treatments. Before we wrap, if these reviews brighten your routine, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend chasing that glow, or subscribe for more. See you next time.